Welcome to our channel. Ever wish you could get people to do what you want without directly asking? Well, that's where reverse psychology comes in. Today, we're diving into the art of subtly influencing others by suggesting the opposite of what you really want. Intrigued? Let's get started. First things first, you need to understand the person you're dealing with. Reverse psychology is most effective on certain personality types. Is the person rebellious, always doing the opposite of what they're told? Do they have a competitive nature, itching to prove others wrong? Or maybe they value their independence and hate being told what to do. Observe how they react in various situations. If they tend to resist direct requests or are quick to assert their independence, reverse psychology might just be your secret weapon. Now that you've sized up your target, it's time to subtly plant the idea. The key here is to be casual, almost like you don't care about the outcome. See what happened there? The friend feels the need to prove they're capable and steps in to help, exactly what our character wanted. But remember, subtlety is key. If you overdo it or make it too obvious, they might catch on and resist. Next up, make it seem like it's their idea. People love feeling in control, so frame your suggestion in a way that emphasizes their freedom to choose. When you present the option, the person feels empowered to decide. And if they're the competitive type, you can even subtly challenge them by saying, "You probably wouldn't enjoy doing this," prompting them to prove you wrong. Who doesn't love a good compliment? You can boost someone's ego by subtly flattering them. For example, saying, "You're so skilled at organizing, but I wouldn't want to bother you with this," can motivate someone to take on the task just to show off their skills. Reverse compliments work like a charm, especially if the person has a strong desire to prove themselves. But hey, not everything goes according to plan. Sometimes, reverse psychology can backfire, so be prepared for all possible outcomes. If things don't go the way you expected, be ready to switch tactics. It's all about knowing when to push and when to pull back. And remember, in high-stakes situations, clear and honest communication might be a better choice than trying to be too clever. Let's look at some real-life scenarios. Want your child to eat their veggies? Try saying, "These veggies are really for grown-ups. I'm not sure you'll like them." Or at work, if you need a colleague to handle a report, you could say, "I could handle this report, but I'm not sure you'd want to tackle it. It's quite detailed." These small shifts in how you frame your requests can make a big difference, turning "no, thanks" into "sure, why not?" So, there you have it. Reverse psychology can be a powerful tool when used correctly. Just remember to be subtle, know your audience, and be prepared for any outcome. Did you find these tips useful? Hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and let us know in the comments if you've ever used reverse psychology successfully.